That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. Oh, that's marvelous. Looks even better in the replay.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
That's well left. Need not, neighbors. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Missed that completely. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy.
That has made some serious damage.
Slips in place. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. That's well left. Need not, neighbors. No ball called by the umpire.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. That's hit straight to the fielder. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. John, straight into the hands of the fielder.
Not just it for a single.
Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here.
Plays and misses. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. That's a no ball and the batsman gets a free hit. Overstepping on the last one, and that will be a free hit.
Oh, shot, but only a single. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
Deep point in place.
And he helps himself to a six.
Pacer introduced from the other end. Slips in place.
Oh, that was a seriously quick ball.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Unable to break free. Strokes it into the gap for a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming.
That is six. That is just magnificent batting. Can he do it again?
Pacer introduced from the other end. What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge of the seat thriller here. Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That is a very quick single taken. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. Deep point in place.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely.
Let's congratulate